trong một thế giới nguy hiểm.
Once their burrows disappeared as the water level rose. In order to survive, they often hide in a special place. There, they will be safe from clashes and heavy losses. Invite you and your friends. Let's learn about the aggressive crocodiles. On the Katuma River in Africa, crocodiles are lying in the water. It's the rainy season in May. Make friends with some animals. This crocodile is waiting for people to come and flirt with it. The male crocodiles will fight to get the right to mate with her. To prevent the enemy, a larger male crocodile that threatens its opponent. When the competition withdraws, it's all about seducing the kids. In western Tanzania, it's considered a haven for some animals. The park is 4,500 square kilometers. Hong Kong administrative region of China, but very few people know. Running through the park is the Katuma River. This is also the mating season for hippos. For this animal, there's only the top male have the right to mate with the female hippopotamus. The territory of this male hippopotamus is small, within a few hundred meters, but it guards the females in the flock. Be very careful. Male hippopotamus protects the suffering, for the only reason is to prevent others from mating with the girls in its flock. The hippopotamus doesn't look like a warrior, but they're one of the most aggressive creatures in nature. They often fight with strength and sharp fangs. Someone was seriously injured in this battle. After a while, the challenger must retreat. At that time, the crocodile's eggs will also hatch, if not stolen by others. Every time the mother crocodile leaves the cave, the predator shows up. Half of the crocodile eggs are often stolen by lizards. This animal uses its tongue to sniff, see where the crocodile eggs are buried, then slowly find out. This iguana can smell the eggs, but the mother crocodile discovered the mixer. This season, the mother crocodile guards the nest very carefully. Within the next 3 months, mother crocodile just hanging around her egg nest. They rarely go hunting. It's ready to attack thieves. Layer of sand keeps crocodile eggs warm. If the ground is too hot, it'll cool its nest. It didn't stop there. People say that crocodiles appeared at the same time as their distant relatives, our dinosaurs from 200,000.005 years ago. The creator, that's very ingenious, when their external appearance hardly changed much for a long time. The scientists say that the Nile crocodile is not only, it's just the largest reptile in Africa, it's also one of the continent's largest carnivores. The crocodile doesn't have to waste energy hunting. He just needs to be patient. Some species of mammals, it's a crocodile's favorite food. In the wildebeest migration season, their neighbors aren't very good at going elsewhere, like other species. They often graze around the banks of rivers with crocodiles. When there is not much grass, the antelope just moved somewhere else. The rainy season is almost over, and the land is drying up. To get to the meadow on the other side of the river, the antelope must take great risks to overcome the crocodiles. Thanks to the crocodile's eyes and nose above, so it can hide in the water without any prey detected. Antelope is not. I saw the crocodile coming, so when it crossed the river, it was eaten by crocodiles. Crocodiles have very strong jaws that can clamp down on their prey and sink into the water. The Katuma River is ideal for crocodiles to hunt. The calm water makes it easier for them to breathe. It's easier for these animals to move underwater. Is that on land? Because they're underwater, they lose less power. Crocodiles are very useful for the river. It's possible to reduce the number of fish that live here. If not killed by crocodiles, this catfish, it will harm other fish and disrupt the river's ecosystem. Crocodiles also perform another important task, is to clean up the dead bodies, source of infection of the river, such as the body of this giraffe. Fights right now. The crocodile clasped to the giraffe's thigh and then rolled it around to break the victim's bones. Unable to chew, so it devours every piece of the deer's flesh. Except for the mother crocodile, some other crocodiles also joined the party, eat giraffe meat. They're like the sanitation team. They usually clean up the carcasses of animals. The Katuma River is also a haven for hippos. The food here is quite plentiful. In the rainy season, the river is an interesting hotbed for them. The adult hippos, it's often too big for predators, like crocodiles that are not eaten by other species. But hippos still suffer from other perils in nature. The body of this hippopotamus is cleaned by crocodiles. On the shore, the lions are jealous of them. This lion needs food to feed its cubs. Do that, the body of any animal is collected by it. There's no place for the lions to feed. The two people who are raising you are a crocodile and a lion, can grab the hippopotamus corpse. But to get food, they have to be careful, because getting close to hippos is very dangerous. Hippos can bite off an intruder's tail. The lion's hunger took a risk, dragging the hippopotamus body ashore. The sheer size of the hippopotamus, the opposite of their patience. The lion's patience finally won out. The meat of the hippopotamus, it's a lion's lunch. But in some wars, there are lions that pay a pretty high price. No goodbye, brothers. This is a wounded lion in the war with hippos. It will never be eaten again. Now he is seriously injured. For days, this lion's hunt will never happen again. Its lower jaw is almost severed. They can't even drink water. Right now, death is only a matter of time with it.